In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a single page from a PDF file as an image, either as a JPG or PNG using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you need to share a specific page or want it as a reference image for your projects, this process is straightforward and convenient. First, let's open the PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is a crucial step as it allows us to have access to all the features Adobe Acrobat Pro offers, making it easy to export PDF content in various formats. Be sure you have the PDF file you want to work with on hand, so you can smoothly follow along with what I show you. Once you have your PDF open, direct your attention to the menu on the left side. There, you'll find the option labeled All Tools. Go ahead and click on it. When you do that, a whole new set of options will appear, giving you access to the tools needed to manipulate your PDF files in different ways. Here, we're going to focus on selecting the Export a PDF option. Now that we're in the Export a PDF section, take a look at the right pane on your screen. You'll notice there's an area titled Export PDF to. This gives you multiple choices for converting your PDF content. For our specific task, select Image Format. It's here that you have the liberty to choose between JPEG or PNG depending on your preference. JPEG is great for smaller file sizes, while PNG can be better for maintaining higher image quality, especially if the page has intricate details. With our desired format selected, the next step is to click on the Convert button. This is like telling Adobe you'll want it to translate the PDF page into the specific image format you've just chosen. It's a seamless action that sets the conversion process in motion. After you've hit convert, a dialog box will prompt you to choose the save location for your new image file. Browse through your folders and select a location that's easy for you to remember and access later. It's crucial to stay organized so you can quickly find your files whenever needed. Finally, all that's left is to give your image file a name and then hit save. Naming your file with something specific will help ensure you can easily identify it among other files. Once you click save, your PDF page is successfully exported as an image in your selected format and stored in your chosen folder. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to convert a single page from a PDF into an image using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This method can be incredibly handy for those times when you need to focus on specific content from a PDF, sharing it with others who might benefit from having it in an image format. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps make your workflow a little bit easier and more efficient.